Hi Lana, hello and welcome once again to Lana's Coach. So we want to take a look at some of the online writing jobs, right, that are appropriate for STEM students. Now, what I mean by STEM students are people who actually have passion in science, technology, right, engineering, right. Those are the kind of students who are likely to do this kind of jobs because they are very or somehow technical, right? So if you are there and you are looking for some few coins online as a student who pursues STEM, you can always use this particular site that I want to mention or that I'm going to mention. But before that, kindly take a second or two so that you join this particular online community. All right, thanks. So the first site, as you can see, is the code Tute Plus. Now, Tute Plus allows you to get some kind of online or paid online writing jobs, right? As you can see, once you're here, they are, as you can see, they are looking for people who are actually experts in WordPress, right? So they want people who have some kind of knowledge in WordPress. So you can always check on this particular website. So you can see the payments that they make, right? So for the in a given tutorial, if you write a technical tutorial for them within the WordPress niche, you can always get 150 US dollars per a tutorial for the first month, and of course the second month onwards, and so on. And you can see here they're saying you can expect to make between 1,000 US dollars to 1,200 US dollar each month. So if you're there and you are passionate in handling this kind of online writing, you can always check on this particular site. As you can see, right, these are tutorials that they're looking for, right? Plugin development tips and tricks, in-depth understanding of WordPress culture, and so on. So that's Tute Plus. You can also look at this other site, SitePoint, right? So if you want to write for SitePoint as a STEM student, you can always check with their site, right? So you can see here they require developers for all levels, designers, right, who can write about JavaScript, Python, WebAssembly, React. So you must be good in this particular field of technology. So these are just few tips of the technical content that they look for. So you can just go to this particular site and check, right? So you can see. So these are the topics that they require. People can write about Python, JavaScript, web performance, accessibility, right? So they have a number of articles that you can write for them, right? So if you want to write or join them, there's this fill out form pitch. So just click on this and then they capture your details, right? So this is the form. So you can check. So become a writer at SitePoint. You actually give them your email and so on. So you can start by joining them. Then we have also we are back to Tute Plus, but this time they're looking for people who can write for them articles on web development technology. So you can see here, this is web development technology. So if you're good in JavaScript, HTML5, CSS, CSS5, I believe CSS3, right? You can join them. And you can see they pay a good amount. So these are the amounts. So their rate starts at 100 US dollar, right? And you can always make money from this particular site, right? So again, you just need to click on this particular form and then they capture your details, right? And then so there's a tech course, and then of course there's this create tutorial option. Also, we have Copy Hackers, right? Copy Hackers is also another site that allows you as a STEM student to write some articles, right? So you need to select a topic, right, and do the writing. So you can also check with them. You can see we accept one to in 30 pitches. So they actually, as of February 2020, they were paying between 300 US dollars to 1,000 US dollars, yeah, per post. So it's not a bad way of earning some money as a STEM student. The other one is Photoshop tutorials. So those who like photoshopping or Photoshop users, you can earn between $50 for quick tips and between 150 US dollars to 300 for full tutorial, right? You can submit your tutorial here. So that's another website that you can always recommend you to check on. And then, of course, we have uxbooth.com. So also, if you want to contribute, you can share your details there, as you can see, right? There's some guidelines that they want, like articles should be between 1,200 to 1,800 words long, right? So check with Booth, UX Booth, and start writing for them these particular articles. Then we have the Smashing article, right? This is a Smashing magazine. It's also another one that allows you to write for them some article, right? So you can also check with them. They offer some ways of making money through writing of articles. So you can pitch to them, right? So you click on this particular, or you click on the contact form. This contact form, if you want to share your details with them, right? Just click on this contact form, right? So just write your name, email, what it is about, what's up, and then you send the message. So I think those are some of the best sites that I'll recommend for any STEM student, especially if you have some passion in science, technology, engineering, and maths. All right, thanks.